Today we're going to show you how to use your e-cleaner. First step is to power off your unit.
Power off.
And then unplug it as a safety precaution. Step 2 is removing the filter. Remove the filter cover like so. Turn this notch to the left to where it says remove. You want to lift the filter ring over the filter and then pull. It is very important that both O-rings are attached or it will cause the unit to leak, such as this O-ring stuck inside. You want to remove that and place it back onto the filter. Step 3 is adding the cleaning powder to the cleaning cartridge. Unscrew the top and add the solution. Place the top back on the cartridge and make sure both O-rings are attached. Install the cleaning cartridge as if it were your filter. Make sure there are no O-rings left in place. Make sure it's secure and place the filter. Move the tab to the right to where it says install. Step 4 is placing both the flexible hose and the secondary stand into a cup. Like so. Turn on the faucet and fill up the cup until it reaches both tips of the hoses. Make sure it is running at a slow flow. Allow it to sit for 3 to 5 hours. After 3 to 5 hours have passed, you can remove the flexible hose and the secondary stand and place them inside the sink. Step 5 is flushing your unit. Turn on the faucet and allow it to flow at a medium flow. You can now turn off the water. Step 6 is removing your cleaning cartridge and installing your filter. Move the notch to the left to where it says remove. Lift the filter ring and pull the cleaning cartridge, leaving no O-rings behind. Install your filter and make sure it's secure. Place the O-ring and turn the notch to the right towards install. Make sure the filter ring and the filter are securely in position. You can now place your filter cover back on your unit. Plug in your unit. Turn on the power.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5.
And you can now operate your machine as normal.